It's hard to believe this little thing will be a towel. Oh, this is amazing! It is an Everest in a sky towel. Now we can clean our dishes. Hi friends, it's Toy Food Fun, and today we are going to be cutting these vegetables and counting them. After we count them, we're going to make a vegetable stew, and then we'll do some cleanup. We're glad you're joining us. We're going to have a whole lot of fun. We've pulled out our cutting board. Here is our knife. Here is one vegetable, a zucchini. Two vegetables, an onion, three vegetables, a carrot, four vegetables, another onion, corn, vegetable number 5, a potato number 6, potato number 6, a tomato number 7, tomato number 7, eggplant number 8, number 8 eggplant, number 9 broccoli, number 9 broccoli, number 10 mushroom, mushroom number 10. I'd like to make my favorite vegetable stew, which is ratatouille. I'll need some tomatoes, so that's one vegetable. I'll need eggplant, that's 2 vegetables. I'll need onion, that's 3 vegetables. I'll need zucchini, that's 4 types of vegetables. Zucchini. Finally, I need mushrooms, that's 5 types of vegetables. We're not going to use these other vegetables, so we can clean them up and put them back in our crate. We're not going to use the 6th vegetable, which is potatoes. We're not going to use the 7th vegetable, which was broccoli. We're not going to use the 8th vegetable, which was carrots. We don't need more onions, which is 9. And we don't need corn, which is number 10. 10. So we're cooking with 5 vegetables. Let's refrigerate the extra vegetables for later. Now back to our ratatouille. Let's turn on the heat. Let our vegetables simmer. We'll put on the lid. Yum, it looks like our stew's ready. Ratatouille, one of my very favorites. I'm ready to eat. We've had a nice meal. Now we should wash our dishes. Let's wash our pot, our spatula, and the knife we used to cut the vegetables. Let's turn on the water. Oh, I almost forgot. We need a towel to wash these dishes. We can turn off this faucet now. Our dishes are soaking in hot, sudsy water. Let's open this magic Paw Patrol towel with Everest and Sky on it. It's hard to believe this little thing will be a towel. Oh, this is amazing! It is an Everest and a Sky towel. Now we can clean our dishes. Well, friends, thanks for joining us. We cut and counted vegetables, we made ratatouille stew, we washed our dishes, and we got this really cool new Paw Patrol towel. As always, if you like this video, be sure to click like and subscribe and we'll make more. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope to see you again soon.